Chapter 17. Celebration of Special Days. Let's learn Teachers' Day, Children's Day, Earth Day, World Health Day, International Literacy Day. We celebrate different social, religious and national festivals in India. Religious and social festivals are different from community to community and region to region. National festivals are celebrated by everyone all over the country. National festivals like Independence Day on 15th August, Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October and Republic Day on 26th January are celebrated all over India. We celebrate the birthdays of great people as festivals such as Buddha Purnima on the birthday of Gautam Buddha and Mahavir Jayanti on the birthday of Lord Mahavir. The birthday of Guru Nanak is celebrated as Gurpurab and Christmas is celebrated as the birthday of Jesus Christ. Let us study about some other important festivals. Teachers' Day. Teachers are a significant part of everyone's life. They show us the right path and groom us to become better citizens and better persons. Teachers' Day is celebrated to pay tribute to teachers who dedicate a considerable part of their life to impart moral values and academic knowledge to their students. Teachers' Day is a national function. In India, it is held on September 5th of every year, which is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, one of our former presidents. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was an ideal teacher. It was decided to celebrate his birthday as Teachers' Day to honor this noble profession. Info Hive. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was the first Indian to be appointed as a teacher at Oxford University in London. Info Hive. Teachers' Day is also celebrated in the USA in the first week of May. On this day, teachers and students report to school as usual, but the usual activities and classes are replaced by activities of celebration, thanks and remembrance. Children's Day. 14th November is celebrated all over India every year as Children's Day in loving memory of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of the country. He loved them profoundly and kept them dear to his heart. Therefore, children called him Chacha Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru, despite his busy life as Prime Minister, found time to be with children. It is said that if anything Nehru liked most in his life, it is the time he spent with little children. On this day, tributes are paid to him for his sacrifices, achievements in international politics, and peace efforts. School children organize cultural programs to celebrate the day. There are many celebrations, including one at Teen Murti Bhavan, where Nehru lived as Prime Minister, and one at Parliament House. Info Hive. The first Children's Day was celebrated in 1954. The idea of a universal Children's Day was suggested by Mr. V. K. Krishna Menon, and it was adopted by the United Nations General Assembly. Earth Day. Earth Day is the largest, most widely celebrated international environment event. It celebrates Earth's unique place in the universe. Most people celebrate Earth Day on 22nd April each year. In some countries, it is celebrated a month earlier on the vernal equinox. It is a day to think of the environmental challenges we face and how to solve them. Protecting Earth is every person's and every country's responsibility. World Health Day. 7th April has been designated by the World Health Organization as World Health Day, and as such, events and activities take place in thousands of cities, regions and organizations around the globe over the next 5 days. Each year, the organization selects a key global health issue and organizes international, regional, and local events on the day and throughout the year to highlight the selected issue. International Literacy Day. The United Nations (UN's) International Literacy Day is celebrated annually on 8th September to raise people's awareness of and concern for literacy issues in the world. According to the UNESCO, about 774 million adults lack the minimum literacy skills. 1 in 5 adults is still not literate, and 2/3 of them are women. About 75 million children are out of schools, and many more attend schools irregularly or drop out. However, literacy is also a cause for celebration on the day because there are nearly 4 billion literate people in the world. Recap. Teachers are a significant part of everyone's life. Chacha Nehru was a true friend of children. Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April every year. Literacy Day is celebrated on 8th September to raise people's awareness of and concern for literacy issues in the world.